Really? Is it tight now? Can you see? Is it tight?
Oh, it's tight.
Yeah, it is tight now. Cool. Look at that shit.
Fuck. That's scary. So I've had this for,
What's up? So welcome back to another video. Yes, we're back at Audi Fletcher Jones. I think this is the second video that I made at this dealership. The guy that put this meet together, Kurt, he's here somewhere. Kurt, if you watch my video, thanks a lot for putting these events together. And looking forward to getting to all these other car meets. I missed the last one. That was a night. That was a fun one. But anyways, welcome back to another video. Yes, there you go.
Dip everything. Plastic dip the world.
Anyways, welcome back to another video. Yes, I still have the H2. I'll come back to those videos at some point. And basically, this is what we had today. Came up with the GTR again. Hanging out again with Supercar Garage. Steve using his Huracan at the videos before. OC Motivator on the other side. Josh is not in town. He'll probably be back soon enough. He'll bring the McLaren. And luckily, I got a camera guy today. This guy right here. You've seen Hiruri on my videos before. This is my son-in-law. Don't talk shit about Priuses though. This guy owns a Prius C. Proud owner of a Prius C in this crazy gas,
70 miles per gallon.
I know. I did not know the weather was going to be like this today.
yeah, exactly.
Now, again, I know some of you are wondering what happened, why out of the sudden you went from Hummer to Supercar and stuff like that. If you're new to the channel and you subscribe because of one of the old Hummer videos, what has happened is lately the H2 has got quite a few problems. And then in the process of tackling those problems, some other stuff came up. So I kind of put a pause to the Hummer video since I cannot move it at all, and started kind of introducing more of this Supercar mix of videos with the Hummer videos. I know, again, some of you might be wondering, hey, he probably sold it and he's making an excuse. No, I still got the H2. I will never sell that. The only reason I'll sell the H2 is maybe if I want to put more money towards a Hummer EV when it's here, maybe I'll get rid of it. I have got offers for the H2. I think the craziest offer I have got is $13,000. And remember, mine is an 04, like over 200,000 miles. But still, there's two people out there that are looking for an H2. Yep. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, we'll see you guys in the next one.